Glad you could join us. Yes, I said us. I have my lovely wife here helping us out. Say hello, Morgan.
Hello, check out my hat.
And what do we have today?
We have a new addition to our little RC family. I actually picked out. Jay put a bunch of different cars in front of me, and this is the one that I picked.
All the SCX24s. She just picked this one.
Well, look how beautiful it is. There was this one. There was like a yellow Jeep. There was the green Army car.
Deadbolt.
Yeah, that one. But this one, I'm a big fan of like 50s cars. I know this is not a 50s. It's a 1967 Chevy C10, but
You're a fan
color.
of 60s cars too.
Of course, but I love this color, right? So we've got a trail-proven off-road performance SCX24 scale 1967 Chevy C10, officially licensed product. It is ready to run. LED lights are included in this bad boy.
Yeah, 2-year warranty. We all know what warranties mean in RC world.
So here you can see side by side the two different colors. Included is the Axial AX4 2.4 gigahertz 2-channel radio system.
Show it.
AS1 servo, Axial AE6 ESC receiver combo, and a USB charger.
Dynamite 88 turn. The T stands for turn.
Okay.
Brushed electric. And the Dynamite 2S LiPo.
And 4 AA batteries for transmitter, which is awesome because when do things ever come with a battery? The craziest thing required to complete, nothing! Exclamation point. Everything is included in the box. So
how many RTRs can claim that?
For someone like myself to buy something like this or choose something like this and know that I can just open up the box and just like get at her, like it's pretty awesome. All right. So, yada, yada, yada. Shma, it's stuff.
Look at all this stuff.
Look at all this stuff. Ooh.
Stuff.
All right, there's all this stuff on the back. I could read it, but yeah, you know. All right, what about over here? Let's see. 8.6 inches long, 3.9 inches wide, and 3.6 inches high. Oh, it's so little. Wheelbase of 5.2 inches, ground clearance of just over an inch, and it is half a pound. So I need a little shma to shma this.
Oh, okay, there's a X-Acto knife right there. Turn it.
I know how to use an X-Acto knife.
Okay.
All right, now that I was told how to open an X-Acto knife, let's go. Let's go to
Don't
town
put your
here.
finger.
Oh my God.
Would you just cut
The seal?
axial seal?
Oh, the seal.
That's how you know it's never been opened, right? It's the axial seal, not just some piece of tape.
Apparently I've got issues opening a box. Oh my goodness.
We'll work on that.
You
You know what's really cool? The way the box is, they make the vehicle kind of do like this twist
Like it's tilted.
action. Yeah.
Well, from the bottom, yeah, even from the
see,
bottom.
Because this tire isn't allowed to go through,
Yeah.
so it makes the truck look
It looks
like
pretty
it's
cool,
twisted.
man.
Oh,
All right,
wow,
stuff.
All kinds of goodies. Look at that stuff.
back.
Oh, there's stuff. What kind of stuff is in there?
Oh, what's the best way to open this?
Probably with the X-Acto knife. I don't know. I mean, you could use your teeth if you wanted to.
No, thank you. Save my teeth for other things. All right, so we got batteries, extra drive
Link kit? Looks like a link kit. Oh, and a drive shaft? Oh, interesting. And a body pin.
So it knows it's gonna break. That's awesome. Free cool brand swag. You gotta register.
Thanks for choosing Horizon Hobby.
And then they're gonna send you some swag. All right.
You gotta sign up, and then you'll get like 5 years of junk email.
A rusty Allen key.
Is it rusty?
Super duper. I don't know if that comes across on camera. Thank you.
Apparently it's a 1967 Allen key
Yeah,
too.
exactly. That's ridiculous.
It's very scale.
Look at that thing.
This is actually a good thing to have. Connector guide to get, some people, not everybody knows about all the different connectors that are out there.
That's pretty great.
And if you buy this, then you will.
Yeah, awesome.
And the manual.
Manual actually looks really nice on the cover too.
Oh.
All standard stuff. There you go. All this good stuff. And then, of course, at the very back.
Ooh, all the breakdowns.
All the breakdowns, which are super duper important, especially for someone like me that doesn't really have a crazy imagination when it comes to figuring stuff out, I have to look at these diagrams.
It's better not to use your imagination.
Well, you know, hey,
fixing
you know,
things.
sometimes you want to MacGyver some shit out of something.
Yeah, MacGyver's
you
a TV show. Yeah.
Hey, you're here soldering and doing some crazy stuff now and then.
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes you got to do what you got to do.
I do it for real though. MacGyver's a TV show.
You see, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh my God, it's a kitty bird.
Is it? Is it that easy?
Oh, that's a nice little
Giving
box.
birth?
No, you know.
It's a nice little box. That's not something you hear during birth.
So we got
Oh, transmitter. Ooh.
AX4 2.4 gigahertz transmitter.
Yeah, it's just generic.
Yeah.
And what about one
Foam.
hand? What about one hand operation? Can you thumb steer? There you go.
Yeah, but it's a stretch. Like,
Yeah?
I'm really stretching my thumb here.
Okay.
So, and I don't even, I mean, I don't have ridiculously small women hands, but
Yeah, you don't have man hands.
but it's actually a big distance to try to
Is
get my
it?
thumb over here. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think I actually hurt my back doing it.
Don't put your back out while trying to thumb steer. Oh,
shiny.
you get to do that part. Go ahead, rip it off.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's so shiny.
It's so satisfying. Yeah.
Boop.
Take a good shot because it's the last time it looked like that.
All right, your typical
On off.
on
Got your
off.
binding button.
Yeah, your steering.
Your
You have
dual
a
rates, low, medium, and
low,
high
medium,
setting.
high. Awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Not bad, eh? And the charger and the charger. Oh, I guess the battery's in the car. We're not going to be using that anyway.
Yeah.
Be careful with those guys. I've heard of the automatic shut-off doesn't work sometimes, so they can be a danger.
Just don't mind me. Just popping some bubbles.
Just popping.
All right.
Popping some tags.
All right. So it's popped. Oh, I missed like the greatest
What'd
thing
you
over
miss?
here.
What'd you miss?
So when we were choosing, of course, these came down to like of this model, these two colors, and I just made the assumption that only this one comes with a light bar, and then lo and behold, light
bar.
comes with a light bar. No.
Sorry, it's a dull blade.
Right.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so awesome. Well, from a chick's perspective, it's so cute. So right from the very top, you can see on the back here, there's actually, the holes are already there for
the light bar.
the light bar. But I kind of like the look without
it, right? So we gotta look under the lid. And pull those tabs, baby.
And they've got these cool little like rubber pulley things.
Pretty neat, eh? It's because they're so tiny. Ooh.
Oh.
Is that cool or what?
Hingy.
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 All right.
Hingy.
Hingy.
Mingy.
Oh, mingy. Okay, so we've got a
Put the batteries in the trunk.
2S little LiPo battery in there. You can see it's actually a really nice little Velcro strap here. You got your connector to charge it. ESC receiver combo.
Yeah,
Lexan body.
It's actually a Lexan body with hard plastic accessory parts.
Oh, it's super cool. The wheels are really cute.
So you've got actual like 4-link suspension, like a real truck. You've got your actual solid differential axles, like real truck. Right? So it's very scale, even for its size. Did you hook the battery up? Turn the transmitter on. There we go. No, Ooh.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. It's like the cutest car ever, man.
Ooh. Wow. Can you ever crawl? Ooh.
Right out of the box. No charging. It's actually really nice. I'm like barely touching the trigger.
On the throttle right now. Ooh.
Yeah, they're nice, huh?
Supple.
Awesome.
See BF Goodrich on one. Very cool. You guys enjoyed this unboxing and first impression of the Axial SCX24.
It's so sweet.
1967 Chevrolet C10 pickup. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Please share it with someone who might appreciate it as much as you. Hit that bell. Of course, to hit the bell, you have to hit the subscribe as well. You'll be notified of more content. And as always, keep on RCing, keep on keeping on. Ciao for now.